Hello, my name is Yemi Fadipe. I'm the author of The Weight Loss Code. Welcome to episode 2 of the Weight Loss Code Bundle Tour. In the previous episode, we discussed the best diets for weight loss, and I introduced you to an amazing resource to transform your weight loss journey, and that was the Weight Loss Code, a practical guide to sustainable weight loss. In this episode, I will be answering the question, what is the best weight loss plan for me? First, I want you to realize that there is a difference between a diet and a weight loss plan. And today, I would also be introducing you to the second resource in the Weight Loss Code Bundle, and that is the Weight Loss Code Workbook. Now, what is the best weight loss plan for you? When people ask this question, it's often because they have tried to follow some other people's success stories and try to reproduce it, but have not gotten the same type of results that they expected. Often we follow some people online or social media or some fitness bloggers or coaches, and what people tend to do is someone posts the picture of their meals online, and then another person who wants to lose weight and get the same result just copies and pastes and tries to replicate that same thing, but they often get disappointed when they don't get the same result. Now, this is because the best weight loss plan for you is a plan that takes you into account. The best weight loss plan for you is one that is developed and tailored for you, taking into account your body, your calorie requirements, your current weight status, your target weight status, and the time frame you want to take to get to your target. The best weight loss plan for you is one that allows you to walk on your terms and at your pace. And that is where the Weight Loss Code Workbook comes in. In episode 1, I told you how the Weight Loss Code book takes you from the beginning and walks you through your weight loss journey, as well as giving you activities to complete along the way. The Weight Loss Code Workbook gives you all the templates that you need to complete all the activities. So just to give you a feel, there are templates here to help you determine your current weight loss status. So you have your own weight loss dashboard. You're able to create your weight loss commitments. You are able to set your own milestones and decide how you want to celebrate your success. The mindset for weight loss has a template here where it identifies where are the gaps in your mindset at the moment and what do you need to do to fill those mindsets to get you on track with your weight loss journey. There are templates here to allow you to work around nutrients and determine the calorie density of your meals and how to combine them. Basically, every activity you have in the Weight Loss Code book has the templates you need to walk through them here. So it is not just a case of me telling you you need to do this or you need to do that. I've also put together this workbook to give you the tool that helps you to do those things you need to do. The idea of the workbook is that by the time you've gone through and gone to the end of this workbook, you would have created your own personalized weight loss plan without employing the services of a nutritionist, a fitness coach, or a personal trainer. A lot of people spend hundreds and thousands of pounds to get this done, but you don't have to, because you know yourself better than anyone. Of course, I'm not discrediting the place of personal trainers, but if you dare to give it a go, if you set your heart to it, all the information you need and all the tools you need to create your own personalized weight loss plan, a weight loss plan that bears you in mind. Everything you need is in the Weight Loss Code Workbook. The Weight Loss Code Workbook launched on the 13th of April 2021 and is available on Amazon, on Barnes & Noble, Kobo, and other online marketplaces. A PDF copy of the Weight Loss Code Workbook is also available online, and the link can be found in the bio. That allows you to get the documents for a minimal fee compared to the print copy. Now, if you're looking to be part of an accountability group where you can get support from other like-minded people on the same journey as you, then I would recommend you join the Weight Loss Code Breaker 30 Days Challenge. This is a challenge that started with my launch team members who decided to start to apply the principles in this book at the same time as prepare for the launch. And within the first week, we started seeing results, and they were reporting how much weight they were beginning to lose. As a result, we decided to open this up to bring as many people in that could benefit from the challenge. If this is something that is interesting to you, it is free. Click on the link in the description to join the Weight Loss Code Breaker Challenge. For now, go get your workbook, start reading your book, and start creating your own personalized weight loss plan. A plan that has you in mind and that works for you. It's all about your own body. And the best way to lose weight and keep it off for life and sustain it is when you do it on your terms and at your pace. I hope you found this episode useful. If so, please click on like, comment, give me your feedback, tell me other things that you would like me to cover, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next episode. Bye-bye.